Hello guys, today we are going to learn a new topic called blood coagulation. Though everybody know blood coagulation, but today we will going to learn blood coagulation in detail, and this will also cover the questions answer of Mark Twain, right? So you can cover this blood coagulation topic for 10 marks, even for 5 marks, even for 2 marks, depending upon the type of question. So let's learn in detail what the blood coagulation is. See, blood coagulation can also be called as a clotting, right? So clotting मतलब जब liquid blood solid form में convert हो जाएगा. So that process is called clotting. So how we can say that? Blood clotting is the process of converting the liquid blood into a solid form. So this process may be initiated, but ये blood coagulation होगा कैसे? So when it is initiated by contact of blood with any foreign surface with damaged tissue. जब blood किसी भी foreign substance के या surface के contact में आएगा या किसी damaged tissue के contact में आएगा. अगर foreign surface अगर blood vessel के अंदर की process है, that is intrinsic process. अगर blood vessel के बाहर हो रहा है किसी tissue में, so that is the extrinsic process. So when blood will come in contact with such any foreign surface or damaged tissue, तब ब्लड कोएगुलेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. लेकिन उस वक्त जब व्हेन इट कम्स इन कांटेक्ट विद इंट्रिंसिक एंड एक्सट्रिंसिक सरफेस, असल में हो क्या रहा है? सो इंट्रिंसिक एंड एक्सट्रिंसिक प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व्स फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्लड क्लॉट व्हेन इंटरैक्ट विद द क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर्स. सो ब्लड कोएगुलेट होने के पीछे का क्या कारण है? तो when these blood come in contact with the clotting factors, then coagulation starts. These are total 12 clotting factors numbered as 1 to 13. So there are total 12 clotting factors, of which 6 clotting factor is not in active form. That's why 6 clotting factor we removed, and 1 to 13 of which 6 is not there. That's why total 12 clotting factors are there, but we count it as a 1 to 13 as 6 is removed, right? Now thromboplastin helps in the formation of enzyme prothrombinase. Now we have the one clotting factor named as thromboplastin that helps in enzyme formation called prothrombinase. तो ये prothrombinase करता क्या है? Prothrombinase जो है वो थ्रोम्बिन वो क्या करता है? प्रोथ्रोम्बिन को थ्रोम्बिन में कन्वर्ट करता है. मतलब इनएक्टिव जो प्रोथ्रोम्बिन होता है उसको उसके एक्टिव फॉर्म में मतलब थ्रोम्बिन में कन्वर्ट करता है, राइट? So what the thrombin will do then? Then that convert fibrinogen into fibrin, and so that what it do? That converts fibrinogen right into insoluble fibrin. So जो fibrinogen होता है वो soluble होता है, तो इसलिए उसको insoluble fibrin में convert करते हैं. Once it is converted into insoluble fibrin, तो होता क्या है? वो एक मेश की तरह फॉर्म हो जाता है. उसमें सारी प्लेटलेट्स जो बहने वाली होती है वो वहाँ कलेक्ट होती है, and once it is trapped, it forms the clot. So that is nothing but the blood clotting, right? Now let's move toward the flowchart. How in actual terms we can understand the blood clotting process. So let's study in this slide, right? So see here, सबसे पहले होता क्या है? सबसे पहले होती है इंजरी. प्रोसेस ब्लड क्लॉटिंग की कहाँ से शुरू होती है? इंजरी से, राइट? इंजरी में होता क्या है? इंजरी हमारे ब्लड वेसल के अंदर हो सकती है या इंजरी हमारे ब्लड वेसल के बाहर हो सकती है. दैट इज वी कॉल्ड एज इंट्रिंसिक और एक्सट्रिंसिक. सो ये प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होती है असल में इंजरी से. अब इंजरी हो गई, वेसल सीवियरली डैमेज होगी या एक्स्ट्रा वस्कुलर टिश्यू सीवियरली डैमेज हो गया, राइट? सो उस वक्त क्या होता है? ब्लड वेसल रप्चर हो गई. सो दिस इज शोन इन डायग्राम. ब्लड वेसल रप्चर हो गई. उसके कारण क्या हो गया? उससे उससे ब्लड लीक होने लग गया. लेट्स सपोज वी हैव पाइप and it is leaked and once it is leaked, water will come out of that pipe, right? The same procedure will happen with the blood vessel. So अभी blood से blood के component बाहर आना शुरू हो गया, and during this, once the blood vessel recognize this fault, so blood vessel की जो smooth vessel होती है, blood vessel की जो smooth muscle होती है, राइट, वो क्या होती है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। जब पता चल जाता है उनको कि अरे द ब्लड इज गोइंग, ब्लड इज बीन लीक्ड फ्रॉम द ब्लड वेसल, blood have been leaked from the blood vessel. Once it is recognized by the blood vessel, so उसके smooth muscles होते हैं, that becomes contract near the injury point, right? अब जब contract होगी तो obviously blood leak हो रहा था वो कम हो जाएगा leak होना, right? So next step is the platelet plug formation. मतलब क्या, उस वक्त जब ब्लड लीक होता रहता है, स्मूथ वेसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती है, तब प्लेटलेट्स एक्टिवेट हो जाती है, क्योंकि इंजुरी साइट पे जो केमिकल्स रिलीज होते हैं वो प्लेटलेट्स को मैसेज भेजते हैं, अरे ब्लड इज बीन leaking out of the blood vessel, and once its message has been sent to the platelets call to another, platelets come, we our blood vessel need, our blood vessel is a need, right? So all the platelets come and gather at the place of injury, and the collagen present in the vessel, right? So underlying collagen and that platelets, ये दोनों क्या होते हैं, एक दूसरे को चिपक जाते हैं, स्टिक की नेचर फॉर्म करते हैं और ब्लड को बाहर बहने से रोक देते हैं. So once the platelets right wound साइड पे कलेक्ट हो जाते हैं, so what happens then, initial platelets are activated by chemical released from the injured cells and by contact with broken collagen, right? So bound platelet release chemicals that activate attract other platelets. यहाँ तक हो गया. उसके बाद में कोएगुलेशन. अब कोएगुलेशन में क्या होता है, जो हमने बात करी थी, थ्रोम्बिन क्या करता है, फाइब्रिनोजन को, ये जो थ्रोम्बिन है, प्रोथ्रोम्बिन थ्रोम्बिन में कन्वर्ट हो गया था, फिर वो जो थ्रोम्बिन है वो फाइब्रिनोजन को एक्टिवेट करता है, फिर वो फाइब्रिनोजन फाइब्रिन में कन्वर्ट होता है, एंड देन फाइब्रिन फॉर्म मेश लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, वो सारे प्लेटलेट्स को ट्रैप करके क्लॉट फॉर्म करते हैं. सो इन दिस कोएगुलेशन फाइब्रिनोजन इज कन्वर्टेड टू फाइब्रिन व्हिच फॉर्म्स अ मेश that traps more platelets and erythrocytes producing a clot. So this process is totally completed. How the clot is formed, right? From beginning of the injury to the injury से start हुआ था, फिर vascular spasm, right? So that smooth muscles that contract. After that, platelets are activated by the chemicals released from the injury, and that with the collagen forms sticky nature, and then after that, in coagulation, what happens then? Fibrinogen is converted into the fibrin, which form mesh-like structure that traps the platelets, and then this clotting occurs. So this total process is called as a clotting, and this total process is depending upon the injury that interacts with the clotting factors, that interacts with clotting factors, these clotting factors, and then fibrinogen to fibrin, and then what happens? Then clotting occurs. So this is nothing but the clotting. Now move towards next slide. So what next slide is, you can also diagrammatically show it in simple look so that checker would able to easily understand what the process you have written. So what there is, first I said extrinsic and intrinsic two pathway. Extrinsic is the extravascular and intrinsic is the intravascular, right? So extrinsic, so these extrinsic and these intrinsic, right? Two pathways are there. So we go from, if extrinsic बाहर डैमेज हुआ है, टिश्यू में डैमेज हुआ है, then टिश्यू से थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन रिलीज होगा, then that thromboplastin will, so थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन फैक्टर 10 इनएक्टिव फॉर्म में है, उसको एक्टिवेट करेगा फैक्टर 10 में, and then that activated factor 10 convert prothrombin into thrombin, then that thrombin convert fibrinogen into active fibrin, this form mesh like structure and leads to blood clot. And if we'll go from intrinsic pathway, damage the blood vessel, so that as we have seen in slide, um, that there are many clotting factors, factor 8, factor 9, factor 10, factor 11, factor 12. So these all leads to a cascade that activates factor 10, that converts prothrombin into thrombin, thrombin into fibrinogen to fibrin, and then blood clot. So this process is can be grammatically written as such, right? Now let's move to the next slide. So if we have to increase bulk of our question answer, though we understand what the blood clotting is, but in order to achieve homeostasis means when a blood vessel when a blood vessel is damaged, तो हुआ क्या था? Loss of blood is stopped and healing occurs in a series of overlapping processes in which platelets play vital part. This more badly damaged vessel wall is faster. The faster coagulation begins sometimes as quickly 15 seconds after injury. So here the same content is written somewhat different pattern. Like first vasoconstriction, when blood comes in contact with a damaged blood vessel, right, their surface becomes sticky and they adhere to the damaged wall, right. जब blood platelets injured site के contact में आ जाते हैं, they form sticky nature and adhere to the damaged wall. फिर क्या होगा? Then they release serotonin. Then what they release? Then that platelets releases serotonin called 5-hydroxytryptamine. Serotonin is nothing but 5-hydroxytryptamine, which constricts the narrow vessel. So what we studied before, that when injury occurs, then the vessel, smooth muscles that contracts the vessel. But how that get contracts? When the platelets releases serotonin, 5-hydroxytryptamine, when the injured site releases this, then that vessel constrict, reducing, stopping blood flow through it. Other chemicals that causes vasoconstriction can be thromboxane, are released by the damaged blood vessel itself. Then second step, platelet plug formation. The adherent platelet clump to each other, release other substances including adenosine diphosphate, which attracts more platelets to sites. So जब platelets दूसरे platelets को मैसेज भेज के कॉल करती है कि वी नीड द ब्लड वेसल नीड अस, सो उस वक्त क्या होता है कि ये प्लेटलेट क्या चीज रिलीज करते हैं? ऐसा केमिकल रिलीज करते हैं एज अ मैसेंजर, एडिनोसिन डाइफॉस्फेट, व्हिच अट्रैक्ट्स मोर प्लेटलेट्स इन दैट साइड. The passing platelets stick to those already damaged vessels to release the chemicals. This is the positive feedback system by which many platelets rapidly arrive at the site of vascular damage and quickly form a temporary seal the platelets. So ये एक ऐसा mechanism है जिससे सारी platelets आकर that form a plug at that site of injury. Platelet plug formation is usually complete within the 6 minutes में injury की platelet plug formation हो जाता है. Of what the coagulation is. So this is complex process that also involves positive feedback systems. Only a few stages are included here. So इस तरह से platelets form blood coagulation हो जाता है process. And then so these coagulation factors. So factor number 1 is fibrinogen. Factor number 2 is the prothrombinase. And factor number 3 is tissue factor. Factor number 4 is calcium plus plus. 5 is pro-acceleratin. 6 is an inactive form, so we are not included that. 7th is the pro-convertin. 8 is the anti-hemophilic A factor. And 9th is the anti-hemophilic factor B. Then factor number 10 is the stored factor. 11th is plasma thromboplastic antioxidant. 12 is hemogen factor, contact factor. And factor number 13 is the fibrin stabilizing factor, pre-calcarein factor, high molecular weight, kininogen, right? So this factor we must include in the answer so that uh, that it shows the answer should be such, right? So which have all the parts included very briefly and very concisely, right? The optimum answer of the question should be like that. So this is what the blood clotting is. So let me know. So let me know how you felt the blood coagulation is. How you understand the mechanism? Um, you understand the homeostasis, clotting process, and what the blood coagulation is, right? So let me know in the comment that how the answer is, how you understand the answer. Yeah, so let's stop here now.